Hari Om children, today we are going to see about tables in Word. Okay, first, what is mean by table? It is a data that is arranged in rows and columns. In MS Word, tables can be inserted in three ways. First one is insert table command, table grid, draw table command. First, we are going to see about insert table by using this command. First, you should click insert tab. Then from tables group, you should click on insert table. One dialog box will appear. Here you can give number of rows you want, number of columns you want. Then if you click OK, our table will automatically inserted into your document. By default, MS Row display 5 columns, 2 rows. Okay, if you want to increase means you can increase by using this button, and you can also decrease this. Second method is insert table by using table grid. For this purpose also you should go to insert tab. Then from table group you should select table button. Then lot of options will disappear. Here you can drag the mouse to select how many rows you want, how many columns you want. Okay, then if you select, automatically your table will inserted into your document. Third method is insert table using draw table command. For this purpose also you should go to insert tab. Then from table group you should select table button. Then from the drop down you should select draw table. Then one pencil mark will appear into your document. By using this pencil you can draw how many rows you want, how many columns you want. Then if you done your table, then you can click escape key. Next we are going to see about how to modify a table. Modify means adding and deleting some rows and columns in our table. Then we can also increase the width and height of the table. This is also called modify a table. After we insert one table, one new tab will appear into our ribbon, that is table tools. It contains design tab, layout tab. By using design tab, we can design our table, that is it contains some styles about the table. Then layout tab contains commands to edit the table. Example, delete rows, insert column. Now we are going to see about inserting rows and columns. First, insert rows and columns by using shortcuts. First, you should place the mouse where you want to insert columns or rows. Then right click the mouse. Then drop menu will appear. From this you can select insert rows, insert columns, anything you can select. Now we are going to see about inserting row in a table. For this purpose, first you should place the cursor, then go to layout tab, then from rows and columns group, you should select insert above or insert below. Okay, if you click insert above, the row will inserted above the selected row. If you select insert below, it inserts a row below the selected row. Okay. Now we are going to see about insert a column in a table. Here also you should place the cursor where you want to insert a column. Then click on the layout tab. Then from rows and columns group, you should select insert left or insert right. If you click insert left, one column will add to the left of the selected column. Okay, if you click insert right, one column will add to the right of the selected column. Now we are going to see one example. If you click insert right, one column will automatically inserted to the right side of the selected column. Here near the max column, one new column is inserted. Now we are going to see about entering data in table. We can enter numbers, text also in table. If you want to move within a table, you should press tab key. Okay, if you want to create new rows or columns, you should place the cursor in the last row or column. Then you should press tab key. If you click tab key, one row or column automatically inserted. Okay, if you want to move within the table, you should use arrow keys. Okay, upper arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. There are 4 arrow keys. By using this, we can move within the table. Now we are going to see about deleting rows and columns. Delete column, delete rows, delete table. First one, delete column. First you should move the mouse to the top of the column. One dark arrow will appear. Okay, then you should select the column. Then you should go to layout tab. Then you should click on delete button. If you click delete button, drop down will appear. From this you should select delete column. If you click this, automatically our column will delete. Now we are going to see about delete a row. Same procedure, you should move the cursor to the corner of the row. One dark arrow will appear. Then you should select the entire row. Then you should go to layout tab. Then you should click delete button. Okay, drop down will appear. From that you should select delete rows. Now our row will delete. Now we are going to see about how to delete a table. Same procedure, you should select the entire table, then go to layout tab, then you should select delete button. From the drop down you should select delete table. Then our entire table will delete. Try to tell the answer for these questions. True or false? By default, MS Word displays 9 rows, 2 columns. Table Tools tab has dash subtabs. Rows and columns group present in dash tab. We can use dash keys to move within the table. The dash tab contains commands to edit the table. Hari Om children, all the best, study well.